Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to earn free 1000 naira for yourself. But before driving to the video, I advise you to like this video right now because it really helps me a lot to make more videos on how you guys could literally make money online. So right now, let's dive into it. So the first thing you need to do right now is to click on the first link in the description or the link in the pinned comment section above. It's going to take you to the app we're going to be using to make this money. So I advise you use my link in the description right now to sign up for the app. And by the way, once you use my link, we are gonna get 1000 naira. I also gonna get 1000 naira. So if you use my link to sign up right now, I get 1000 naira, you're also gonna get 1000 naira. So this is the win-win for me and you. So once you click on the link in the description right now, it's going to take you to a place where you could ask to fill out your phone number and your name. So you're going to be prompted to download the app on your phone. Is either download this app on your iPhone or your Android. So this app is going to work on both devices. So before I literally teach you guys how you could literally make money from this app, I want to quickly show you guys something right now. So you guys could see right here on my screen, this is a balance of 989 naira. I have balance of 989 naira right now. So if I come over to my withdrawal history right now, let me come over to my withdrawal history to show you guys something right now. So you could come over to my withdrawal history. See right here, I'm in my withdrawal history. You could see right here, I've really earned a lot of money from this app. You can see I just withdraw 300 naira, I just withdraw 1000 naira, I just withdraw 2000 naira, I just withdraw 500 naira right now to tell you guys you could really make money from this app I'm about to share with you. So right now, I know you guys may be thinking, okay, what is the name of the app I'm going to be using to make money? So the name of the app I'm going to be using to make money right now is called palmpay. I know a lot of you guys may have heard about the app, and don't just click off this video because you have heard about the app, because there's some things you need to know about this app so you'll be able to make a lot of money for yourself. So the way we're going to be using to make money from this app is through the refer and earn program on palmpay app. So that is how we're going to be using to make this money. And like I said, if you don't know what palmpay is, if this is your first time of using the palmpay app, palmpay is an online banking platform whereby it gives you opportunity to transfer money, pay bills, buy airtimes, and a lot of stuff. But right now, we are not interested in that part. What we're interested in is the make money online part, how we could literally use this app to make money online for ourselves. So in order to make money online on this app, you need to be able to refer your friends. So the first thing you need to do right now is to copy your referral link right here. You're going to see your referral link. So once you copy your referral link, you're going to share these links to your friend. Like I said, once your friends use your link, to sign up on the palmpay app, they're going to get 1000 naira. You are also going to get 1000 naira. That's the reason why I love this app so much. And plus that, they're also going to get a 100 naira gift card right here. You can see right here, it's stated here. Your friends are also going to get a 100 naira gift card plus 1000 naira into their bank's account. So you guys are going to be making money as quick as possible. So this is the fastest way you could literally use to earn 1000 naira daily using your smartphone. And like I said, guys, you could literally make a lot of money from this app if you are really consistent about this app. And I know you guys may be thinking, okay, how can I get a lot of people to sign up on this app? Like I said, I'm going to be showing you a method you could use to get a lot of people to sign up on your palmpay links, to create an account using your palmpay links, and you're going to get paid. So right now, let's drive over to the step 2 on how you could literally use palmpay to make a lot of money for yourself and how to get people to sign up. Actually, the first thing I'm going to advise you do is to first invite your friends on WhatsApp. You could either invite your friends on WhatsApp, you could invite your friends on Instagram, on Twitter. So I will advise you first invite your friends on WhatsApp, tell them about palmpay, tell them to create an account on palmpay, and you can literally tell them that once they use your link to create an account, they're going to get 100 naira plus 1000 naira bonus if they use their link. So right now, I'm going to be showing you guys the traffic source number 2 to get a lot of people to sign up to your palmpay links. Once you are done inviting all your friends on WhatsApp, I would advise you go over to the Facebook right now to go join some Facebook make money online groups. So all you need right now is to go over to your Facebook page, then search for make money online group. So once you search for the make money online group, you need to add a bunch of people as your friend. So once you add a bunch of people as your friend, you could literally make friends with them, tell them about palmpay, tell them to sign up with your link. That once they sign up with your link, they are literally going to get 1000 naira for using your link to sign up. So guys, that was how I was able to make the money you guys saw on my palmpay app right now. So that was literally what I did to make this kind of amount of money. Like I said, the more people you refer, the more money you make. So if you are able to refer at least 5 people in a day, you're going to be getting 5000 naira using palmpay app. So you can see right now, this is the fastest way you could literally use to make money online. Like I said, if you have gotten any value from the video, don't forget to drop your boy a like, subscribe to my channel right now for more tips and strategy on how you could literally use to make money online. And also, if you have any question you could literally drop your question in the comment section below, and I'm going to be answering your question. So a video is going to be popping right here teaching you on how to make money online. So right now, click on the video popping right here on your screen, and I'm going to see you guys in the video.